So if you want a phone that can play all the intense games and play for 14 hours straight without overheating, this is the phone for you. If you want to see more videos like this, why not subscribe? It's free. Let's get right into it. Gaming on the Oukitel K10 is a pretty good experience. I did not experience any lag in games, but you might see some lag here and there in this video because the Oukitel K10 was recording the screen at the same time as playing the game, but it's not really a big deal. Are you going to get an Oukitel K10? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, first up, the game Injustice. This is a fighting game that features characters from DC Comics like Batman, Harley Quinn, and Joker, and it runs really well. You might see a bit of stutter here and there, and that's because of the screen recording running at the same time, so don't really worry about it. The phone did get warm after about 10 minutes of playtime, but it was
man's not hot.
Second is Super Mario Run, and this one is a one-handed game that features Super Mario and lots of in-app purchases, because that's the way games are going nowadays, and it runs really well even with the screen recording going on at the same time, and the phone did not heat up noticeably during gameplay. Third is Modern Combat, and this is a first-person shooter with some pretty sick graphics, and it actually runs really well even with screen recording on, and it plays pretty well also. The phone heated up after just 5 minutes of gameplay, but it also never got hot. Fourth is Subway Surfers, and this is an endless runner game and it runs really well and did not detect any heat during gameplay. Finally, Asphalt Extreme, one of the best racing games on Android and one of the best games on Android period, and this runs well as well. It took about 15 to 20 minutes of gameplay before the phone started heating up, but this one made the phone the warmest. Again, it's not hot enough to make me scared or anything, it doesn't even get super warm either. So my conclusion, you can play pretty much any game you want on this phone, and not only that, you can play for 14 hours straight and the phone will not die. And you don't have to worry about overheating because there isn't a lot of heat generated by this phone and it's dissipated pretty easily by the big body. If you like seeing more gaming videos like this, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.